Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, someone asked me, what do I do? What's my strategy with my crypto company mining? So, well, first of all, me, I have an account. I have several accounts. I have one that it's a saving tax-free account. So, first of all, we're not allowed to do day trading. And second, I even saw some article that if you're making way too much money, then they come and see you and then tell you that maybe you're making a business or something. So you need to be good, but not too good, I guess. Otherwise, you get you in trouble if you're too good at a trader on that specific account because you're not paying taxes, right? So this is one. So I am taking a big chunk on, try to get the big chunk on the swings. So I would say I liquidated maybe 80% on my my holding. I used to have a FAT because I bought them around here, and yeah, so I bought them here. I sold around here, $12 I think some. Then I bought back here. I should have sold when it was like $18. I was too greedy. I thought it would go like I think Riot at $80. And after that, yeah, I started to liquidate after that, but I think yeah, $16 I think was the peak. And some I just left them because my average cost of a couple that I kept, the 20% that I kept, it was about below $2. So I am not touching that core part. Now for sure, when we approach the $1.18, I honestly got overwhelmed. I was focusing just on crypto, and I kind of forgot about this crypto mining company. And yeah, so I did get some a little bit here on the pullback of the second wave, and I sold them around $5 something, $5.20, something like that, $5.50. Not even sure, $5.50, yeah, maybe. And I recently bought back at $4.50, I believe. And I'm not sure, maybe it could be that we're going to go a little bit lower. We shall see. Because 1, 2, and then this is the third, the fourth. We're not really, we're far from being oversold, but the fifth wave shouldn't be that, it shouldn't go that low for a fourth wave. So yeah, price can honestly start to reverse maybe this week or next week. I already see something, but let's see how it goes. Let's see, me just see on the 4 hours. Actually, this wasn't specifically meant to be a hot mining video, so no, let's take. But the RSI, it's yeah, it's not bad. All right. So okay, so the strategy is I just try to take the big chunks, and more likely I'm going to once again, when if price reverse and we reach to the near the fifth wave target, I think around $7 I'm going to start to get some percentage of my profits. And the more we go higher, the more I'm going to continue to take profits. And why is that? Is because I'm preparing for the bigger correction afterward, and then I will reinvest all my profits that I made to this bigger pullback for the bigger wave too. Okay, so this is my strategy with crypto mining. So now, if you ask me, okay, it's not a bad level entry point, but it could also just be an A, B, and a C for the moment. We don't really have 5 wave up, so it's a little bit more risky, right? So the safer one would be 5 wave up, and then we see 3 wave down, react to a nice level of pullback. Then it would be much safer to invest in this area. So this applies for all stocks and all crypto. Now I wanted to go into the crypto. So I keep having a question about when is it a good time to invest into Bitcoin now? Well, let me zoom out a little bit here. So here it was still risky, right? And now we had a wave 1 and a wave 2. Well, actually, no, this is a little bit hard. This is still the bear count, right? So yeah, it's still a plan. Unfortunately, this is the 3. This could be also the 4, and then can be the 5. What's the percentage this can happen? Well, I would say maybe 10%. I am more bullish for the moment, so I don't want to confuse you. So yeah, let's take this chart. So we had the wave 1 and a wave 2. This was a nice entry point. We had another 5 way up, and we had a nice correction A, a B, and a C. This was another entry point. And well, guess what? We're having another 5 way up, and so you can see we have this uptrend line also that it keep us well, actually react as a support. And now we are once again approaching this level. Do I think that we're going to touch this trend? Honestly, I'm not really sure. It could be, but also it doesn't have to, because as you can see before, you know, the 0.5 level was at the level of the trend. Now, depending on how long we're going to get exhausted with this wave C count, but we are already below the 0.382, and a lot of time, yeah, crypto sometimes it doesn't allow us to get in at the optimal levels. Well, optimal levels would be the 0.618. But is it going to go as low? Actually, yeah, no one knows, right? So this is why we do this kind of triangle concept of investment. So if we reach this level, I get 10%, and then every time it goes lower, maybe I'll take another 20% here, and then 30% here, and then after I go all in here, you decide the percentage. This anyway, it's theory. And then so also for the moment, yeah, we did the 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and technically now this is the 5th one. Now, if I do the Fibonacci extension, we should go about 28,166, this level. Once again, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, 28,280. So somewhere near here should be more likely that price should retrace to these levels. So this we already entered a nice entry point. Now there is a difference of $1,100 between from the actual price today, we're missing like $600. So if you think that, you know, Bitcoin has a potential to go up, and you believe that it can go to under 20,000 or 170,000, and today it's 28,870, is it worth it to risk it and not get any to get it for $600 cheaper? Well, that's a question only you can answer. Okay, so Ethereum, so once again, we had a lower low here in June. So we had the 5 way up. This was a nice entry point. Once again, we had another wave 1, a wave 2, and this was another entry point. We recently had another entry point here, as you can see. I know it's I should clear up a little bit maybe my my labeling in the chart, but it's so convenient when you go back, you know, it's out there. So once again, now we are having 3 wave, A, B, C for the 4th wave. We had the 5th wave, new higher high, local higher high, and now we're doing this corrective movement. We did approach, actually we already crossed the 0.5. So are we going lower, or we can reverse now, because let's face it, now we don't have to always go for the minimum. Now honestly, maybe I feel like doing this like so, and here extend a little bit the trend. So let's see. Well, ideally, yeah, we could go even lower. This is DMA 200. We are having there is a little bit of overlapping. Let me see here if I can. Yeah, okay, so we have the 0.618 also at these levels. So can price go and reach this level? Yes, it can. Like there is a lot of chance actually that it can. Let me see the indicators on the daily. We are even so far from being oversold that we have so much room to go, and it wouldn't jeopardize anything. Actually, this would be the ideal retracement once again. So yeah, we totally can go, but is it worth it to wait for once again, like, you know, what is it, $58? If you didn't got any Ethereum and you believe that this third wave can go to $3,000, then why risk it, right? You, in theory, you get some now, and then if it goes lower, you get more. That's it. Okay, so after that, now I'm not going to do all the altcoins because they're more risky. I would focus personally on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you want to get some mining company, go with moderation, because as I said yesterday, it's like investing in Bitcoin but with leverage, because when it goes down, it goes really down. When it goes up, it goes really up. So you need to manage the good time. So for sure, this is not financial advice, and you need to do your own research. And yeah, so this is my video of today that I wanna share with you. Hopefully, you discover something, or you know, it make you realize that sometimes waiting for the perfect moment sometimes maybe is not worth it, because you are going to, there is a lot of chance to miss out. So progressive investment is much safer, I would say. So you get a little bit, price go lower, you get a little bit more, and then if price reverse and then the boat start sailing and leaving the port, then you already have secured some position, so you're good to go. All right, so yeah, so this is all for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.